And this is the swimming pool we got here, guys, you know. The swimming pool we got here in this yard. So this is what it looks like in the night here, you know. Yes, Steven is over there. That's our brother, man. The swimming pool is beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, it look cool, man. It look really, really cool, man. I really, really like it, you know.
It does, man.
It does look really, really nice, isn't it?
I like the steps here, look. The step feature, look. So
yes. Oh, yeah, the step feature. Yeah. Yeah, that's the step. And it does have one over that side as well, you know. Yeah.
I love that.
And it have the, and I like the way it have the light as well, you know, right in the bottom of the pool as well. It got the light over there. And I like the hotel as well, you know. Look at it, it's very, very nice, you know. It's very, very nice. Even going round and looking at it as well. It's very nice. I better be careful I don't fall in the swimming pool. Hey.
Don't worry, I got you.
Yes, so this is what it looks like in the night, guys, you know. Really, really nice, you know. And one thing I like as well, you know, where I have the chairs, I'm here as well, you know. That's what I like, man. And you don't have to pay anything for it, you know. So there you go, guys. And they got an umbrella here because in the daytime it gets really, really hot. So that's the umbrella there, you know. So we got to use that, my brother. It gets really, really hot in the daytime, you know. So yeah. So it's good, you know. So you get a pool view from up there, guys, you know. So it's really, really nice. So I love it. It's a nice tour of the room. And over here as well, guys, you see we got some chairs also over this side. You know, did you hear that, guys? You know, they drive crazy around here. Don't worry about it, guys. You know, they drive, you know, very crazy in this place, man. But yeah, I like the place, guys. It's really, really banging. I like it. I like it. Absolutely. And also, this is the car park as well, guys. We'll come also inside here as well. It's really nice, you know. Look at that. So our room is upstairs there, guys. You know, right up the stairs. You know, that's our room up there. And yes, guys, the room is not expensive as well. You know, so. You know, you guys can also book this place. I'm going to put the link in the description for this place, guys. And yeah, if you guys want to come to Napa, you know, then come here in Napa, guys. It's really nice, you know. And then we do have the pathway as well, you know. This is the pathway. And also when you come here as well, guys, you know these are things we don't do in UK, you know, quad biking, guys. You know, look, this is what you can do here when you come in Cyprus. Look, you know, quad bike. So I'm going to be looking to rent one of this, but this doesn't belong to me. This belongs to one of the owner that lives here, you know. So things like this we can rent it when you come here in Cyprus, you know. And there's a lot more you can rent. Also cars, go-kart. There's a lot of things you can rent when you come here as well. Yes. And then this is the leadway, guys, you know. So look, if you drive your car, you can park here, and you can park in here. Look, we've got lots of places, guys, you know. Plus I'll show you something as well quickly, you know. See, look, if you got your room, look, you can have your room even on the ground floor, guys. Look at that. So this is where people stay. So all these cars is where the people are staying over there. So it's really nice, guys. Guys, I hope you're really, really enjoying this outside room tour, guys. You know, so this is the outside. You know, after I show you the inside, guys, this is the outside. You know, so I hope you guys are enjoying it. And yes, man, where's cousin? Where are you? Where is he? Oh, here he is, man. Yes, man. You know. Yes, it's a nice place, huh?
It's alright, man. Yeah, I like
it's alright, man. It got nice wind as well, guys. You know, we feel a nice wind, you know. Wow.
Be able to see the breeze on my top.
Yes, man. You see my top and everything is blowing away, guys, you know.
Yeah.
Proper blows away, man, you know. Real, real nice, man. I love it.
It's lovely. It's lovely. Anyway, let's go explore. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Yes, guys, and this is the front part. You know, this is the front part of the hotel as well, guys, you know. So this is the entrance, but unfortunately it's not a 24 hours entrance. But normally what the people normally do, guys, they'll call you on the phone and they will give you a code in a way you could pick up your key, you know, around the back, guys, you know. So this is how we get inside the hotel. So this reception should close around 11 o'clock or something like that. So that is what we do, guys. And this is the front, you know, the street and everything is nice here, guys, you know. But yeah, so yeah, so this is where you come, guys, you know. So this front part is where the reception is. So the reception is there and up there as well, guys. And I'm telling you, man, we don't have these type of view in UK as well. This is a different sort of atmosphere, and this is what I love. My cousin is over there meant to be getting some Wi-Fi next door, guys, because we don't have any Wi-Fi in our room. But hopefully by tomorrow morning I'll come here and they will sort it out for us.
And guess what? Good news.
You got good news?
I got it, guys.
You got it? You got the password, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, good. So I'm gonna yes, guys, so you see my cousin have just went next door and get the internet password. So finally we got internet now, guys. So we're gonna be okay for now, guys, you know, for you know, to do lots of things. So yes, man, well done, man. Well done, my brother. Well done.
Sweet, man.
Yes, man. is where I'm going to be wrapping up the room tour for tonight, guys. So I managed to show you guys a little bit of the swimming pool in the night, but also in the daytime, guys. I'm going to give you the daytime tour and let you see what it looks like in the daytime, where it's busy, you know, where people swim, where people do lots of things, guys. So thank you so much for watching the channel, man. Thank you so much. And I got my cousin also right here as well. Yes, man. So this is where we wrap up the room tour, man, the night room tour, guys, you know. So thank you so much for watching, man. I appreciate every moment, guys, you know. Yeah, so it's time for me to go and sleep. And yes, I'm going to show you the nightlife as well, what the center look like and everything in the next video, guys. But thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to click the bell so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much, guys. If you guys can keep donating, guys, you know. I don't mind donating. Donate and give the Ball Skirt Travelers a chance to travel again. Keep traveling. Yes, and also you can add me on Instagram as well, guys. Ball Skirt Travels. Thank you so much and God bless you all. Signing out from Napa. God bless you all.